My people, how are they? Now welcome to today Ogboges News. My name is Ireme A. David, the Aranian one of the universe. Today, my people, we get Ogboges News we want to tell now. Before we talk the news, in case you never subscribe, my people, and the time to do that one, I be this one. Just put hand for that button, the red one, and don't forget to on your notification bell so that as we put hand, you will see hand. My people, they will go inside the news. Today, my people, we will talk about the single allowance for children in Italy. The single allowance for children in Italy. So Italy don't approve. I know say some of you don't hear this one, but they can just explain it for you in case you never still hear us, so you understand what it means. So the single allowance for children for Italy simply mean that Italian don't approve to pay children when they born for Italy, when they Italy. They want to pay the money every month, 200 and 250 euro, as the case may be. 200 or 250 euro, now be the money. They don't budget them, but this money they will start to pay on July. Not be saved in it won't start now. Single allowance for children for each child. Starting from July 2021, the single allowance will be recognized. That is a support, the amount which varies according to the economic condition of the family unit, which will include all the bonuses current paid for each child. Meaning, this money, it will depend how the family economic status be. That is, the amount of money when we say they enter the family. No say family A and family B now differently be. Some family B say when they be say they get work. Some family B say when they be say they don't get work. So now this now the criteria then when they will take check how it be, the one will get work and the one will not get work. But the money is a fixed amount of money, 200 or 250 euro. 200 or 250 euro. So the family when you get them will depend whose family because of your economic status. The amount consists of a fixed and a variable fees. In addition to the number of children and the age will be considered for each. For children after the second, the amount of the benefit is increased with 20%. Now, what is this place talking about? This one is definitely saying, so the criteria where they will tell you know how much they will pay you will be your will determine how much you will receive, whether it's 200 euro or 250 euro. For those of you who don't understand what it is, I can make the talk about it for one of our video. So you go there and check. You see what in is how to do your and where to do your but now you need will determine how much they will pay your children, because if you don't get they don't go pay. They don't know how they will take pay, therefore they don't go pay. You need to be able to go into this scheme to feast him. And secondly, the age of the children will also be considered. And if you get first and second child, they will be paying you that amount of money. But if you get third child, you born another one, that is the 3 children that you get, they will increase the money with 20%. For family with disability children, they will be entitled to a soft change ranging from 30% to 50% of the basic amount. That is family when you say disabled day. No disabled now we talk about disabled. Those one will say they not to understand what disabled mean. So when they are physically challenged. So family when they say they get disabled, the amount will be increased with 30 to 50%. The single allowance for children will be paid through a sum of money or through the recognition of a tax credit. That is, when you get bank account, they can pay it to your bank account or whatever means you are use it. But this thing is still proposed. They have not signed it. It shows they have not started. So the method of the thing, how it will go, are still to be what deliberated. They are still deliberating on it in the parliament. In particular, for families, the single allowance will what replace some bonuses currently in force. That is the following. That is the following that it can easily be replaced. Not all. Like people who have a Chitadnaza, that be paying in in fact, your Chitadnaza still remain. It will not change. This bonus have nothing to do with the Chitadnaza. This bonus is a universal bonus. That is everybody for Italy. Whether you are working, whether you are not working, as long as you are in Italy, Italian citizen and the foreigners, EU and not EU citizen, all of them are entitled to this allowance. So you just need to have a document so that you can be benefiting in all these bonuses. The amount of the single allowance for children from 1st of July 2021 amount from 200 or 250 euro for each child, depending on the value of the EZ coefficient. So just as I said before, it's 200 and 250, 200 or 250 for a child. All depend of your EZ. Then if you have a third child, automatically they will increase it with 20% because of the third child that you have. It will be increased. So people who have a 1 or 2, 3 child, I know say una don dey single sign and every other person don dey shout. Say, ooh, you know, because me self are happy. You know why they happy? Because this one are opportunity for so many family when it be say they difficult for. Not be everybody for the Italy. Think they easy for many people they suffer. But one problem when we get, we say, I might just talk this word. The reason why I don't talk the word are because of so many things when we say don't happen for my present. You know, say many of our people will today wicked. Our wickedness is smell. In fact, as I dey inside the studio now, I perceive some wickedness of the wicked of some people. Because some people now, they will even see this thing and they don't agree share them. Not because they hate me, no, they don't hate me. But because they hate the fellow brother, the fellow foreigner, the fellow Africa, so that they not go know say this bonus day. You want just chop low. If you chop low, you die low. Whether you tell your brother, you not tell your brother, you don't get how they affect the Italian government. They don't already make this provision. If you not collect them, you go to Keshonia. If you not collect them, some of us will not go even greet our people. Your neighbor. Some of us will they collect bonus. The neighbor when in near him, he no go greet him. He no go greet him. Many people they do it. Many. They do it. Some of them they will hold the card when you just which bank did this one? And I say, hey, now one bank like that. You no go greet you say now bonus. Make you know why would they wicked like this? Now people now give us this opportunity, then we will our wickedness. Our wickedness of the wickedness not will make you share. Are you the washing me? I should wash and you know they share. Okay, maybe you listen now. I should not they share for your brother, your sister, and make you know what they happen. You know just say our wickedness. You just say me when come tell and make you know. I don't know what they do. I want make you know so that you go enjoy them. I want make you enjoy that. So you share that to other, make them know what it did. So the matter still they go. They could check on how the matter they be. Who are the people who qualify for this bonus? Because not be everybody actually qualify for the bonus. The people when qualify for this bonus, be say the person first you must get resident. At least you don't get resident 2 years resident in Italy. That is, you have stayed in Italy for 2 years. Before or now, I don't say when I say before or now, so many people went there, go Germany or go Spain. You know, they carry their luggage now, they put society slow down, calm down. July Stifa, calm down. July Stifa. So when they don't pay us, we will let you know you will come. So people when it be say they don't get resident before and now, at least your resident don't read for like 2 years, you don't qualify. then you must get his. His don't still come out for here. You must what do what get his, because now his now they want to return. Then you go and what you apply. Then I wish people this one you feel apply for, and this thing you feel apply for a child of 7 months old pregnancy. The kid when they never be said that 7 months they don't be. He never even come down. Don't do bonus for her. you see the reason why they happy. Now why I say some people they wicked be this one, so no agree tell you. So 7 months old pregnancy to 21 years of age. We ought to take the money from 7 months old. He never come, you don't already for take. 7 months old, you will take him. The pikin will come go reach 21 years. They dey under you. So all this money will just collect. So these people, now the duration when we say person will feel chop the money reach, now be that one. Like people like my editor and DOP now. No, sorry, no, don't pass 21. I don't feel chop again. Look now go marry. Look now bomb. So that I will join people where we say they shop the money or shop away. But editor, not be say because you know if you shop and you know come send to your friends, or you still send to your friends so that they will shop and join that. So my people, now the people when qualify for the thing I be that one, they say the allowance is also extended to self-employed and incompetent workers. Self-employed and incompetent workers. People when they say they are incompetent, what they are doing is they try, but you know they work well. Everything when they put hand, they borrow. They can still try their luck for this one. So for each family, we receive a monthly allowance for each child from 7 months of pregnancy up to 21 years of age, with a 20% increase from children allowance. The second, that is the children allowance after the second. After the second child, there was 20% increment. So this one don't have anything to do with your bonus baby. All the bonus we fed they happen when you fed they collect for your bonus baby, your this, your that. When you fed they collect, it not get anything to do with that. You will still do all this one and you will still chop this one down now. You go clean out. The thing don't they sweet me, they never pay, it don't they sweet. So I know say so many of you don't they happy for this matter one day. He said the amount of the single allowance we want consists of a fixed and a variable amount. With the variable part is calculated based on the what number of children and their age, as well as the basics of the Isel coefficient. So these are the criteria they use to what calculate how much will reach your hand. My people, in case you never do your exam, now go and do it. Prepare yourself ahead. Everything when you be say you need, prepare it down. So that as July 1st just come, sharp, you know we miss 1 month, because I don't want me you miss any month. But the thing be say, no be say you go just do one for July. If you don't fit do one for July, don't finish. No. You go they do one, they go. The thing they run, they go. Just day. If you not do one for July, you do one for go do one for June. You don't do one for June, you do one for April. any time you like, you just sit do one so that you go do your own. But it goes sweet me if you prepare the thing when we say you need down before that July, so that when the time just come, you know get anything when they hold you, and we still they pray maybe say the government of the day they not change their system. So when they not change that, because if they change the system, matter will get IB. So my people, so we see and now we say we come, we can tell now say allow us the road. Now we come, we can stay. Now no say as we see them. Now say now we take the drop on. We not the adjourn, we not the remove. Just as we stay here now we take on. Now we will come tell now. In case you not understand that way, you know where to reach us. Reach us in AU David in all social media handle, even in your WhatsApp. As I talk to you now, if you click on the WhatsApp, you go see him, you go show. But you can even on YouTube, click on my WhatsApp on YouTube, you go see him, you go still carry you go my WhatsApp. Anywhere on my Facebook, click on my WhatsApp, you go still carry you come. Anywhere when you, in fact, if you click off my WhatsApp, you go carry you enter. So just talk to us in any of our social media handle. Then we will assist you in any way we can. So my people, and so we see and reach. na so we say me talk am, make we go to the other news.